The Saima Cotton Development and Research Association, a registered non-profit making service-oriented organization, was formed in the year 1974 by the textile mills in the southern states. For the past 41 years, it has been involved in production and distribution of genetically pure, good quality seeds of commercially grown cotton varieties and hybrids, development activities for imparting technical know-how on improved modern technology for cotton cultivation, and undertaking cotton research through sponsored programs funded by the CD&RA. It produces and distributes around 600 metric tons of MCU5, MCU5 VT, LRA 5166, Surabhi, Suraj, Supriya and Suvin. In an effort to encourage cotton cultivation, every year in a sprawling area of 25,000 hectares, under its direct supervision, it trains 25,000 farmers right from soil sampling up to harvesting with new technologies involved in cotton cultivation. It also manufactures and provides 25 metric tons of vermicompost and 10 tons of biofertilizers to farmers every year. It also directly purchases cotton from seed farm farmers by paying 10% premium more than the market price. Ponneri, a village in Udumalpet, houses a 16.5-acre research farm with a collection of more than 450 germplasm, including colored cotton and organic cotton. It has been quite successful in renovating various varieties like MCU5 and Suvin in increasing the yield and spinning capability. Its research program includes prevention of attack from bollworms, mealybug, sucking pests, and in the development of short-duration varieties with higher yield. In the cotton field for several decades, Indian farmers used to pick kapas from the cotton field by hand. This required a lot of human effort and also proved to be a time and money-consuming process and increased labor costs by up to 35 to 45% and thereby decreasing the cultivation area. In the market, some imported hand-picking machines are also available, which was giving very high trash content up to 16%, and it is impossible to repair and replace the spares. For the welfare of cotton farmers, Saima Cotton Development and Research Association with Point Industries Private Limited, after extensive research, developed battery-powered, portable, strong, handheld kapas plucker machine with high efficiency and continuous working capacity. It picks around 80 to 100 kilograms of kapas per day in comparison with the 10 to 12 kilograms of manual picking. A farmer in Rajasthan recorded plucking 250 kilograms of cotton in 8 hours. Farmers in Dharwad and Nagpur have also been successful in plucking 130 to 170 kilograms of cotton in a single day. As one gets used to this machine, plucking around 150 to 200 kilograms of cotton a day becomes a routine. One machine is enough for 1 acre of cotton field. Very minimum manual labor is required for its operation. Apart from this, the machine carries warranty of 1 year, extra motor, belt and a toolkit along with excellent after-sales service in case of a repair. Usage of this machine helps to cut down labor cost by up to 70%, as the work shared by 5 to 6 people a day can be managed by a single handheld machine. As the cotton produced is of good quality, farmers also tend to make higher profit out of it, thereby resulting in increased cotton cultivation and acreage without any difficulty.